Welcome to Best Car Fixes C300 2008, 2011, 2013. From 8 to 11 to 13. 14, 15 also, right?
Yep.
Here we have, here we have the water.
Want to open this one?
Yeah.
This one want to open.
Yes, we're gonna open this one here. The water have to go down. But the problem is, if you feel the water get into your car, please don't wait. Don't wait a couple of days, or I'm gonna wait here. Look here. This one here. No, we have to put the tape here and tape there, and then we're gonna eliminate this one.
Yep.
That's the more important. Here also is the same thing. We have to eliminate it, and then we have to go to all the wire that here, solder them, and then go dry them out, make a hole here, open the hood now. Please, this is very quick to fix it, but if you delay, it will be bad. Okay, here, as we talk about it, still also this is a problem. You see the holes, those are good, but maybe the wind. Now here, if the water go here, you see this water, when it goes through here, hopefully it's not. If the water go through here and go down inside there, it will come back and mess up the module. So first we have to clean here, clean all that, and then this also, after we dry out that one, we're gonna open the sunroof, if it's open, and then we're gonna open this. We're not gonna open it here, we may have to make a space inside the shop. We turn this one outside. If you need a computer, we have to buy it. The same thing like happened before. Battery is dead, right?
No.
Battery is good, but nothing come on?
And frozen.
Huh?
No, yeah, it'll be frozen.
Yeah, no communication.
Okay.
So we get that one, we connect the wires, and then we take it from there. Maybe even that one is messed up too.
Yeah, maybe.
If that messed up, we have to figure out the white car there. If we can take out, we put this on the lift, we push it inside.
I want to with you that, but then
Okay. If you can fix the inside, dry it out. No, we don't. We're gonna dry that one. We dry this. We open the holes, and then we take it from there. Let me see here. As soon as you feel there is water, clean it and fix it quick. Don't wait. You see here also, you're gonna open this, right? Now water go, you see? At least open this place here and make, I don't know what we have down there. But at least no water will go there. But still we have water here, okay? This is a plastic right under. Also we can make a little hole here later on. Just please subscribe, share, and like, and if you have any idea, give it. We're gonna open the sunroof after everything is working to clean that one too, to clean the sunroof. Right now you can put something here. You put some plastic here, cover it, so that if there is water, till we're gonna finish everything to open it, there is no water have to come there for it.